Hello, this is me, Eli, and I am doing a gameplay of Bloons TD Battles. This is gonna be a series. It's really a game where you have to defend against balloons and try to get into your base. Really. No, I am playing this on iPad. A tablet, so it might be a bit hard for you. Sorry about that. Get out. Let's do this thing. Not really. Kind of. What? Whew. Yay. We finally got a good defense. So, right here is my side. As you can see, that's the other person's side. So really, I have to try to make them lose by sending them some balloons. So yeah, let's upgrade that. Good thing. Good times. Get some more balloons. Oh, some black balloons, nice. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, really. Okay, it's a first. Whew. Well done. Well done. Oh, and I will only be doing one round, so sorry about that. I'll just leave it there. What about? Look at this one. Yes. Come on. If you're wondering why I'm not buying anything, there's this really good move with one of them, the monkey. It's pretty good. You should get this game. It's pretty good if you like tactic games. And get it. Yes. Breathe fire. Let's place this thing down again. Woo! Bang bang, bow bow. Tush tush. Oh, that's already fully upgraded. Okay. Nope. Around 20 already? Really? I was asleep. Let's start ending this. Yes. And I'll end the video here. Thanks for joining me, and goodbye.